Screenshot. Hi guys! In this video, I'll show you how to command your iPhone without calling Siri. First step, you have to go to your settings. Look for accessibility. Then click OK. After that, you have to turn it on your vocal shortcuts. So you have to set up your vocal shortcuts. Click set up vocal shortcuts, then continue. Okay, so look for the command you want to do with your iPhone. For me, I want the screenshot. So I click screenshot, then enter your command name. So